My name is Wesley Ford, I work for Newport City Homes and I'm a part of the customer services and facilities team. I was playing football, as little as that really. I was looking to be a professional, chased it my whole life, chased it since I was the age of 7, went in and out of academies, with my dad being a football player as well. That was very pushy. I left school at 16, I did my GCSEs. I feel like I could have done a lot better, but I was so focused on what I wanted to do, which was play football, and that's all I ever wanted to do. And then for that to go, I felt like I was at a loose end. I just had no light at the end of my tunnel, and I hit a real rough stage in my life, and I couldn't really deal with it. But somehow, a couple of years later, I found something that is completely me. And if you'd have asked me or told me 18 months ago that this would be where I would be, I probably would have just laughed and been like, yeah, alright. I joined the academy in September 2012 because it was really difficult for me. I wasn't getting no replies, I was getting no feedback. I was going to interviews as well and people not getting back to me. I just felt like a real loose end and I just didn't know what my future held. And then the one time when I went into A4E, I saw a flyer of Newport City Homes open day for the academy, and it caught my eye, and it said about offering opportunities to people who are out of work and looking to build on little experience or no experience, and it gave me such a great opportunity. Being here has taught me so much. It built on the very little experience that I had, and it's made it massive for me. I'm so grateful to have such wonderful people around me, always willing to help. I'm always willing to learn as well, which makes that a lot easier. I definitely recommend the Academy to people. I already have recommended it to people. That's how brilliant the organisation is. It's such a fantastic thing to have, and it can really help anyone. And when I say anyone, it can help anyone. And if you can get the opportunity, then you get so much out of it.